Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall app in Shopify. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So what we can do is we can actually head over in here under settings, and on your settings right here, you should be able to see in here the option for apps and sales channel. So click on this apps and sales channel right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to see all the application that has been installed on your Shopify store. So what you can do is you can just choose the app that you want to remove. For me, I want to remove this Speak Better Replay. So as you can see, I just hovered to this specific application and I already see the uninstall button. So in here, just click on the uninstall button. And as you can see, it will open a new window. You can select a reason for uninstalling, but you can also not select this because it is actually optional. Click on the uninstall right here. And once you have done that, this will uninstall this application. And as you can see, that app has been removed on my app list. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.